Want to change your YouTube profile picture using your phone? Here is how to do it in less than 30 seconds. First, open the YouTube app. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap your channel. Now, tap the little pencil icon in the next to your channel name. Tap your profile picture. From here, choose either photo from your gallery or you can take a new one with camera. I'm going to pick from my gallery in this video. After you upload it, adjust if needed, then hit share. That's it. Your new profile picture is shared. It might take few minutes to show up everywhere on Google.